Is your garage floor cracked, stained, or just an eyesore? You're not alone. Many homeowners struggle with worn-out concrete, but not all fixes are created equal. Interlocking garage floor tiles seem like a great solution until you pick the wrong ones. The last thing you want is tiles that buckle, break, or leave you regretting your purchase. After digging into customer experiences and product specs, we've rounded up the top 5 interlocking garage floor tiles that actually live up to the hype. You'll find direct links to each one in the description below. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, Flooring Inc.'s Nitro tiles bring you a practical, no-fuss flooring option. These 12 by 12 inch tiles feature a coin pattern design and a sturdy polypropylene build, making them well suited for everyday garage use. The snap-together system means installation is a breeze. No special tools, no glue, no headaches. And because they're moisture resistant, they help protect your concrete from unwanted damage. The coin pattern adds a decent amount of traction, though it's not the absolute best in its category. But here's where these tiles stand out. They flex slightly with foundation movement, reducing the risk of cracks, something epoxy coatings often struggle with. If your garage is mainly for storage, these tiles are a solid pick. Another big plus, the generous coverage. Each pack includes 52 tiles, giving you 52 square feet of flooring. And thanks to the graphite color, dirt and oil stains won't be an eyesore. Now let's talk about the downsides. Some users have reported that the locking system isn't always consistent, which can make installation trickier than expected. Also, while these tiles are marketed as heavy-duty, their thickness doesn't quite match up to more premium commercial-grade options. At number 4, we have the RaceDeck diamond plate tiles. And these aren't just any garage tiles. With their bold industrial diamond pattern, they bring both durability and style to your space. Made in the USA, these tiles boast a patented substructure specifically engineered for residential garages. And get this, they can handle an astounding 80,000-pound rolling load. That means whether you're parking your truck, rolling in heavy tool chests, or just need a rock-solid surface, these tiles are built to take the pressure. One of their standout features is PowerLock technology, a secure interlocking system that keeps the tiles firmly connected, even under constant use. No annoying gaps, no shifting. And with their textured diamond plate surface, you get solid traction whether the floor is dry or damp. But there's more. RaceDeck designed these with ventilation channels underneath, helping to prevent moisture buildup. If you live in a humid climate, this is a game changer for keeping your garage fresh and dry. And when it comes to cleaning, just a quick mop or a shop vac, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the downside. These tiles come at a premium price, and while the quality is there, they're definitely on the higher end compared to similar options. Some users also mention that the seams between tiles can be noticeable, especially in direct sunlight. And if you're considering the black color, keep in mind, it tends to show dust more than lighter shades. Taking the number 3 spot, we have Boldworks garage tiles, and they come packed with some smart innovations that make them stand out. One of the biggest issues with garage tiles? Sun exposure causing buckling. But Boldworks has tackled that head-on with a UV-coated surface that helps keep your flooring stable, even in direct sunlight. And instead of the typical 4 interlocking loops, these tiles come with 6, providing a stronger, more secure connection that holds up under pressure. The brick pattern design strikes a great balance. It offers solid grip while still being easy to clean. And at ½ an inch thick, these tiles can handle up to 40,000 pounds, more than enough for most residential garages. Plus, the polypropylene material resists common garage chemicals, so oil spills or cleaners won't be a problem. When it comes to installation, things couldn't be simpler. The snap lock system means you can lay down a section in about 10 minutes. No adhesives, no special tools. And the black finish? It holds up well against regular vehicle traffic, keeping your garage looking sharp. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. Some users report occasional squeaking sounds when walking on them, which can be a little annoying. And while the UV protection helps, extreme temperature shifts might still cause some slight warping over time. Also, if you're after that bold industrial look, the brick pattern might not feel as premium as a diamond plate design. What do you think? Do the added stability and UV protection make these tiles worth it? Let me know in the comments. And if you've tried them before, share your experience. Your insights can really help others make the right choice. Coming in at number 2, we have the GarageTrac Diamond Tiles, and they've earned this spot for a good reason. These tiles offer a great balance of durability, design, and affordability, making them a solid choice for garage flooring. Let's talk about what makes them stand out. The double tread diamond pattern isn't just for looks, it actually helps hide minor scratches and wear marks, keeping your floor looking fresh over time. And with a high-impact copolymer construction, these tiles can handle up to 40,000 pounds without breaking a sweat, all while being reasonably priced. Installation? Couldn't be easier. The tiles snap together securely without the need for adhesives or special tools. And if you want to add a pop of color, the red option doesn't just look great, it also helps mask stains and spills. Another practical feature is the ventilation channels underneath, which help manage moisture and prevent mold buildup, a must-have for humid environments. And when it's time to clean up, just grab a mop or shop vac, and you're good to go. For DIYers, these tiles cut cleanly with basic power tools, so customizing your space is a straightforward process. Now, a few things to consider before buying. The surface texture, while slip-resistant, isn't quite as grippy as some other options. And if your garage gets a lot of direct sunlight, you might notice some gradual color fading over time. Also, a few users have reported slight lifting at the edges in high-traffic areas, so that's something to keep in mind. Taking the top spot on our list, the Swisstrax Ribtrax Pro stands out as the best interlocking garage floor tile, and for good reason. These 15.75 by 15.75 inch tiles are engineered for strength, durability, and ease of use, making them a fantastic choice for both residential and commercial garages. So, what makes these tiles special? First off, they come with a 6-point locking mechanism, ensuring a secure, ultra-stable connection that holds up under pressure. And when we say pressure, we mean it. These tiles can support up to 60,000 pounds. Whether you've got a daily driver, a heavy-duty truck, or a full-blown workshop setup, these tiles can handle the load. And here's something that really sets them apart: the industry-leading warranty. You get lifetime coverage for residential use and a 15-year warranty for commercial spaces. That's a serious commitment to quality. Plus, the slate gray color holds up against heavy use, keeping your garage looking clean and professional. Another key advantage? Fewer seams. Since these tiles are larger than standard options, they create a smoother, more seamless appearance across your floor. And thanks to their ventilation design, water won't pool up, so you don't have to worry about moisture damage. Need access to the floor underneath? No problem. Individual tiles can be removed without disrupting the entire floor, a huge plus for maintenance and repairs. Now let's talk about the downsides. The premium quality comes with a higher price tag, so these may not be the best choice if you're on a tight budget. Also, since Swisstrax uses a proprietary locking system, these tiles won't connect with other brands, which could limit your options if you ever want to expand your setup. And because of their larger size, installation takes a little extra care to get everything perfectly aligned. What do you think? Are these the ultimate garage tiles, or do you have another favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more garage and automotive upgrades.